Type 7. And with this, we're bringing in the gifts to the world of joy and freedom. The opposite of joy and freedom is pain and suffering. They do everything they can to avoid that.
I've always been able to find what I've needed. Even when it wasn't readily available, I would look for it and somehow find it.
The resourcefulness, if you tell me that I can't have something, I will find a way to get it.
Sometimes life gets at them and starts picking away, and people criticize and pull and try and do things, and it doesn't feel good. So you go, really? You don't think I can be detailed enough? Watch me. There's a responsibility that comes with that too, isn't there? To be the one that uplifts everyone,
Yes.
and is that joy bringer.